you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause but at some point we miss up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop, and as time goes by, I wonder.
Good morning and happy birthday, Zachary! Happy birthday! Where's my kiss? Happy birthday! Today is Friday and it's May 6th. Zachary's birthday, guys.
9.
How old are you now?
9.
9.
After Chris's birthday, who's is going to be birthday?
You.
Yes! Chris is always be last. I'm not last, Dad's last.
What we gonna do?
No, Mom's last.
For your birthday? May pasok siya, guys. Are you done eating your breakfast?
Not yet.
Okay, finish it. Nag-breakfast na siya doon. Get dressed now.
Hey, we got dressed at 8.
Okay. And ako, malapit na akong matapos doon sa aking ini-invoice, guys. Ngayong umaga tapusin ko yung mga natira. And shipping later pa nagbayad sila. And I might cook pancit. You like pancit, right? Pancit kami. Pancit.
Listen.
Four.
Well, gee, it's one of those things.
Thank you. 9.
Get ready, man.
Scooter. 9. Okay.
On the front.
Yeah.
Can't prop this out.
Yeah.
I mean, no.
Yeah. Name Lori. No, they're hungry. Okay.
Thanks. What is it, like a little piece of candy?
Thank you.
Update, guys! Gabi na. And dito kayo sa ibang bahay. Happy birthday, Zach! Thank you. And kumakain sila ng wasabi. Dala ko yan. Dito kayo sa bahay nila, Sophie, kasi gugupitan yung mga bata. Ngayon yung schedule nila ng gupit kasi si Kylie busy siya. Nasa work pa siya, guys. Wala pa siya dito sa bahay. Si Joe lang ang nandito. So, ang gagawin ko, di ba napag ito sa inyo, magluluto ako ng pansit. Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng pansit dito. First time natin magluto dito sa bahay nila, Kylie. Ng pansit. First time ko magluto dito sa kanila. So, dito na lang. Wala pa si Kylie, si Joe, nasa labas kasama si Jan. So, ang handa, walang party si Zach, guys. Kasi bukas, aalis kayo, punta kami ng Adelaide bukas. Pero bago kayo pumunta ng Adelaide, may game yung mga bata sa foodie. Sa foodie. So, on the way naman yung kung saan maglalaro yung mga bata papuntang Adelaide. Then, si Kuya Sunday, may golf competition siya. So, wala talang chance na magkaroon ng party. And, naintindihan naman yun, Lisa. So, sabi ko, magpansit na lang tayo. Tapos, meron siyang pinapabili sa akin na may italin natin. So, yun ang regalo ko raw sa kanya. Very, mabilis lang guys yung regalo natin sa kanya. Hindi tayo pupunta ng shop. Mamaya, tanungin natin siya. So, sobrang lamig. So, dala ko yung aking puff jacket na nabili ko sa Seed. And, eto yung damit ko, guys. Binunot ko to sa box. Isa sa mga Bangkok na box ko, guys. Ayan, eto yung ilalive selling ko next week. So, ayan, meron akong isa. May, siya, co-ord siya, guys. Meron siyang shorts. So, tinanong ko siya dito sa aking jeans. Diba? And nagustuhan ni Jan. Okay, mag-start ako magluto. Then, magpipizza tayo. Lagay ko lang ito dito. Tipirin ko yung ko, guys. Tipirin ko yung aking memory card kasi kunti na lang. And dala ko to. Eto, bumili si Jan ng bago para sa caravan. Meron kami sa bahay. Pero sabi ni Jan, iba yung sa caravan, iba sa bahay. So, dinala ko rin dito kasi mas mabilis magluto. Mas madali ba? Mas easy. So, update ko lang kayo. Hugasan ko lang to. Then, magluluto tayong pansit. Pakita ko sa inyo mga dala ko mamaya. Okay, nahugasan ko na yung ating paglulutoan ng pansit. And, ito yung dala ko dito, guys. Ayan. May dala tayong dalawang bag. Plastic bag. So, i-haul ko sa inyo yung dala natin dito. Oops. Hindi ko kasi alam kung may... mayroon pala si Kylie dito. Binigyan ko pala siya ng, kinuha pa namin to sa caravan. Yung toyo. So, binigyan ko si Kylie ng toyo. Nung pumunta tayo ng Goa, yung nag-holiday kami. So, yan, meron tayong toyo, syempre. And, tinapay. Kahit magpipizza kami, sabi rin dyan, why are you bringing bread? Gusto ko kayo ang tinapay. Yung ipalaman mo yung pansit. Sarap po yan nun. Tapos, cream. Meron tayong cream. Kasi, wala tayong time mag-bake, guys. So, bumili na lang ako ng Saralina Sticky Date Pudding. Kanina, binili ko to sa shop, guys. Nag-ship pala ako kanina. So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog kasi tinapos ko yung invoicing and shinik ko lahat ng nagbayad. Merong mga natira yung hindi nagbayad. So, next week na yun. And meron din tayong rich chocolate pudding. Yan. So, yan yung laman ng isang bag. Ito, tinawagan ko si ma'am kasi naubusan ako ng bihon, guys. So, tinawagan ko si ma'am kung meron siya. And meron si ma'am. Kasi si ma'am mahilig maglutong pansit. Tapos, meron ako nito. Itong sapumi. So, imimix ko sila. And yung chicken, kung maalala nyo na nag-grocery tayo, bumili tayo ng chicken. Ito, ang nabawas lang dito ay yung paa. Ako yung kumain. So, ito yung ilalagay natin sa ating pansit, tapos shrimp, frozen one. Hilaw pa siya kasi may luto ng frozen. Ito hilaw. Yung ginagawa ko yun na creamy garlic prawns ni Jan. Carrots, nagdala tayong carrots, tapos bell pepper, cabbage. Binili ko to sa guys, sa shop. Ayan, binili ko dalawa kasi nag-ano naman siya yung parang parang ang tawag no, nagre-reduce, lumiliit ba? And, eto snow peas. Nagdala rin akong bawang sibuyas. And, eto. Ayan. Yung persimmon. So, yan yung mga dala-dala natin dito, guys. So, magluluto na ako kasi maya-maya, nandito na yung si Kylo. So, update ko kayo, guys. Maghiwa lang akong vegetable. Ilagay ko pala muna to sa fridge. Ito yung dessert. Dito muna sila. Okay, hiwa na tayo. Nasaan ba yung kanyang chopping board? Yun siguro. Okay, hiwa na muna tayo, guys. Hiwa-hiwa, ugas-ugas ng mga vegetables. Dito tayo sa kabila. Nahilo na kayo, guys. Wala pa si Kylie. Busy si Kylie, guys. Ito lang yung time na gugupitan niya yung mga bata. Nagkataong birthday naman isa. Kasi sobrang busy ngayon ni Kylie. And palipat na yung shop niya, lilipat na soon. Doon na sa sarili na nila. May binili sila. So, rini-renovate lang yun and malapit na matapos. So, one day, may kita nyo yun. Nasa mo yung kutsilyo? Wait lang, guys. Hindi kasi natin ang kusina. Ayan yung birthday boy. Nahanap ko na yung kutsilyo, guys. Ang hindi ko naman mahanap yung pillar. Hindi rin alam ni Sophie, do you know where's your pillar? Here. Ito na, guys. Ako na talaga ang nagpakialam dito sa bahay. Okay. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. You like your birthday party, Sam?
Yeah.
You like it? Yeah. Simple lang yan si Sam. Hindi niya kailangan ng bonggang party. How old are you now, Sam?
9.
Oh, 9. Sabi niya, hindi niya raw feel na 9 siya. What did you say? You don't feel like you're 9?
Yeah.
Why? Come here. Say hi. Sophie, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hi. Nakakatakot man tong ano niya. Feeling ko maliit kasi yung carrots natin. Madilim ba, guys? Hindi, liwanag. Tatlong na cards ang dinala ko. Dapat pa dinamihan ko. Di ba pag may birthday talaga, nagpapansit tayo or nag-spaghetti. Hindi tayo nag-spaghetti kasi nag-spaghetti pa lang tayo nung isang araw. Kaya sabi ko, pansit na lang. Eh, gusto naman nila ang pansit. Si Kuya Ro hindi magpapansit. Si Sak gusto niyang pansit. Okay, tipirin ko yung aking SD card, guys. 1 minute na, agad-agad. Tapusin ko lang to. And, update ko kayo mamaya. Si Sak yun dyan, si Sok yung naglalaro. Si Kuya nasa labas, nagbabasketball. Okay, wait, mamaya na. About us mag-chop. Yung dalawa, ayan. What's wrong? What happened?
I'm watching a scary movie.
What movie?
Okay, there was a scary lady. And
Oh yeah, what movie?
I've got a video. I was screaming.
What is it? What is it? What are you watching again?
It's the conjunction too. And it's,
Conjunction?
yes, just keep on watching. Just watch
Ayoko,
this.
no. I don't wanna watch that. No. Si Sak mahilig sa scary movie. No, Baba. No, Baba. Si Sak mahilig siya manood ng mga horror. Ayan, di pa tayo tapos mag-chop, guys. Ang dami nating cabbage, pero mamaya, lilit ang mga yan. Ayan na yung may-ari ng bahay. The owner of the house is here. How are you? Hello. Yum. You just finished work?
Yeah.
I heard Kobe's working now. Oh.
Monday, Wednesday, Fridays.
Good job.
Straight after school, he walks to exact line. Works till 5:30.
He likes it?
Yeah, and then Tuesday, Thursdays.
alone.
Thursdays.
Congratulations,
Okay, so
Kobe.
on that, Sophie.
I'm gonna tell
Tuesday, Thursdays, he works.
How many hours?
Only 4 hours it works out. Football training Tuesday, Thursday nights he can't work.
My God, he's tired. Yeah, it's freezing. Andito pa tayo, guys, naghihiwa. Sibuyas na, tapos ko na hiwain yung vegetables. Sibuyas na lang, madali lang naman to kasi luto na yung chicken eh. Gisa-gisa na lang to. Who get the pizza? Ay, wala na siya. Umalis na siya. Very healthy ang pansit natin, guys. Kompleto siya. Ayan. May bawang sibuyas, cabbage, snow peas, carrots. And yeah, mag-isa na tayo. Ayan si Sak. May binigay sa kanya si Kyle. Tinanong ko ni Kyle kung anong gusto ni Sak. Sabi ko, anything.
What's that for?
What daw? Tapos, sabi niya, wag toys kasi ang dami na. Graduate na sila sa toys, guys. Iba nang hilig nila. Okay, let me see what you got. Huh? Nagpapainit na pala akong oil. Igisa ko muna yung vegetables. Tagal naman yung nabuksan.
I can open it for you. Why is this so hard? I'll help you. Can I help you?
Can't you open it? Don't put rubbish on it.
Why did you see?
When are you moving? For your new...
First.
Oh, wow. Not low.
You should see it, Chona.
Yeah, we're gonna go there, guys.
Amazing.
Punta tayo sa kanyang new shop. It's almost done. Almost. Oh, it's...
There you go.
But it's gonna finish before...
I'll be finished by the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
$40.
Wow! Nakita niyo yung mukha niya? $40. What you gonna say? Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
good. We had to go shopping.
I'm gonna go shopping. You know what he's asking me? What do you want, Sak? Huh? V-Bucks.
Reeboks.
Oh, Reeboks.
Sneakers.
No. It's a
$80. It's Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Oh.
Kali sapatos. So, gisa-gisa lang naman to. You're right, so?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna do makeup.
Yeah. You need a headband.
Ngayon naman, etong cabbage. And yung dalawa, Ayun yung dalawa, oh.
And even a lot. So move
Mamaya ko na raw tingnan.
so I can get you
Okay, luto muna tayo. Ayan si Jam, bumili siya ng pizza. That's a lot, babe.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
My God, dami niyang biniling pizza, oh. Siya lang mag-isa. Ayan. So, ito yung bangot kung sa Bicol. Ito yung ilalagay natin sa pansit, oh. Ang dami nito, guys. Yung dalawang palang talaga dito ang natanggal. Kinain ko. So, himayin ko lang to.
Everybody feel happy about themselves.
Nangunguna na siya, oh. Para siya yung my birthday. Where's the boys? Kumakain na sila. Yung pansit natin mamaya. Pagutom na yung mga bata. Si Sophie ayaw niya ng pineapple. Si Sak naman, favorite niya ang pineapple. Yum.
Jack, big nine, eh? Jack,
Kain na rin ako.
go out there, put his mind go off.
Meron pa yan sa ilalim, guys. 2 of each. Kain. Ayan, guys. Luto na yung pansit natin. Yung mga bata. Tapos nang kumain. So, happy birthday sa... Yung pansit sa camera, para siyang maputla. Pero hindi siya maputla, guys. Tama lang. Ayan, luto na yan, guys.
like this.
Ayan. Try daw niya.
I'm not excited for this.
Go try it, babe.
Yeah, I need some.
There.
What bullshit just to be able to go and cut someone's head. We're going to cut someone's head anyway.
Try the prawns, son.
Yeah, I want the cabbage
Yeah.
and the prawns.
Gusto niyang cabbage. Eh.
Like when did all
Very hot, ha? Very hot. Don't burn your tongue. And your jumper, honey, ha?
so it's turned in from the front part, it goes straight along the front to all the way down the side.
I'll do this.
Very hot, babe. You will like the prawns.
Have access, easy access, safe access.
Now.
You just tell me about those boxes.
Don't know, I can really taste it.
You can't taste it. Ibig sabihin, gusto niya pa, guys.
Okay, how about I not do this?
With that.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Who's later to try it, John?
Stick.
Do you like it?
Yeah. 2 prawns already. You don't eat prawns, right, Joe? You don't eat prawns. Do you eat prawns? No, I know you. Tingnan mo, wala na. Plato niya na yung guys. It's ready, Kylie. Si Joe hindi.
No, I just got some prawns back with the card.
Oh, if you
How is it,
build all the prawns and put them in,
Yeah.
so we don't have to pick the
No,
prawns
no.
off them and that.
It's no shell. No shell.
No.
And you can have them. Because we're leaving tomorrow.
I'll take all those out from the ventilation.
You have lunch, dinner. Oh, yeah, that's right. Ito yung kumalala nyo. Did you return the little one? Did you return the other one, Kylie?
Beautiful.
Have you tried?
No.
Joe. Kylie, did you return the little one? So, what size is this one? Etong bowl, guys, pampasta to. Yung parang may ganun siya, oh. 800 ml?
I'm not excited for this.
Oh, ayan. Kain na kami, guys. So,
You
What's
just
this
ran
called?
out of the box.
pancit. John said pancit.
You
Why
touched
do you think
the
you
cheese
liked it,
touch.
John?
Oh, John loves pancit. Johnny boy likes pancit.
Make sure you get some prawns and that. Get more. Get all that there, look.
Do your makeup.
What's all this? Is there chicken in it?
Yeah.
Chicken and prawns.
That's the supreme.
It's supreme.
Chona, do you want a bowl?
I got here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is the bowl, Han.
Yeah, I know. I've said them already.
Yeah, okay. Kain muna kami, guys. Yung mga bata nasa taas kay Kobe.
Like barley.
Like
I
Bali.
have to say,
Oh, the
you
noodle.
open your eyes.
Like
You like the prawns? John loves that.
it?
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
This is nice bowl, Kylie. I like this. This is good for spaghetti.
No, I only do.
You like it? Yeah. You can have that because we're leaving tomorrow. Ayan, ang dami pa. Siguro ko ako ng pang-breakfast. Pang-breakfast. Dala lang ako ng pang-breakfast. Yan yung plato natin, guys. Okay, kain na tayo. Maganda yung bowl, guys, kasi naka-ano siya, oh. Hindi nyo masyadong sa camera. Naka-ano siya. Ayan, oh.
Stop. Guys, Look, makeup.
Happy birthday, Zach!
There's the
How
answer.
can you go no, Zach?
Tinatanong si Zach sa Oski.
Sit at school.
I've seen some kids at
Yeah,
Monday.
there's other schools doing it, so it must be this term.
Oh,
Because
what union? Year 3, yeah.
it's
Year 3.
July, because July is when they go to Melbourne.
Zach, TJ, what age you got to be for ice kick?
Oh, and then which one's yours?
That one.
This one?
Huh? What age you got to be for ice kick?
Happy birthday, Saki boy. Happy birthday, Saki boy.
Zach.
Busog na ako, guys. Sobrang busog na ako. Ayan pala yung makeup ni Holly, guys. Tingnan niyo yung kanyang eyeliner niya. Let me see your eyeliner. Oh, wink.
It's not my eyeliner.
Yeah.
That's eyebrows.
Uh,
Right there.
This is eyebrows. That's
done
eyeliner. Yeah, you did. Patingin, patingin. Let me see. The wink. Wow. Where?
Chona, can we do your makeup?
Oh, no, love. Zach, happy birthday. I know. Magpapagupit na sa to. Sa kayo kumain ngayon yung dessert natin nasa oven. Hoy, hand on. Hand on. Hoy.
Like, what happened?
I was so happy when I found out I was having you.
What? Tapos na si
I
Zach.
love you, Baba. Best in the world.
Siya naman yung gugupitan. Trim lang yung sa kanya. Ubus yung pizza, guys. Ang dami yun. 2, 4, 6.
Darling.
Si Jan. Ang tawag niya.
Darling.
Narinig si Jan. Sweetie pie, darling. What do you prepare? Dad to call you, Baba.
Huh?
Sweetie, what do you prepare that Dad call you? Sugar.
Sugar girl.
Sugar.
Yeah, my little sugar.
Sugar mas gusto niya.
Back a bit and pop your head down, please.
Look at your belly button, darling.
Happy birthday, Zach. Ayan yung dessert ni Zach. Sticky, what's
Date.
this? Sticky date
date.
pudding. And this is the yung chocolate. Ano na yan sa oven? Katanggal lang sa oven ni Kylie. So yan yung
Where's that?
birthday
frame?
cake.
Put it in the fridge.
Yes, I
And
did.
there's ice cream in our freezer.
Oh, ice cream as well.
And bowls, spoons,
Spoon, knife.
otherwise
May ice cream tayo, guys.
covered with a plate.
Eto, guys. Ito, guys.
Up here.
Inano ko na.
Plastic ones or not?
Binaba ko. Ayan, tube yan, oh. Kasi magkita ng tiyan natin. Lalabas ang tiyan natin.
Huh?
What do you want, babe?
Bit of both, thanks.
Abo. Oy. Ang ano niya, ang soft.
Where's your ice cream, Kylie?
Left side. You would be.
Gusto ko tong yung sa ano, sa
This is
gilid,
gonna
yung
be the
edge.
arse I can do.
Said about me.
Yeah, John, have you got any next in?
Yeah, I think I will.
Said you don't have any love.
Love.
You've only got chocolate peppermint now, you haven't?
Yum.
Pop in a big one.
Hey, Kylie said to get a couple of them.
Why, is it good?
Well, because she don't be able to go fresh and get some of them.
Chona, seriously,
That's good.
they go
Yeah.
off.
That's the one. If you have computer, is your computer on?
Yeah, where's
We
our
can- we
laptop,
can-
Kylie?
Up there.
Yes.
Could you get it?
Wait. Baby.
Yeah, wiggle your bum over this side a bit towards me. Yeah. Put the lamp
Ayan siya,
on.
guys. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
That's yours. This is Johnny Boy. Tapos siya maglalagay ng ice cream.
Thank you.
That's double hand. Can you...
Double what?
The plate. The bowl. Hi, kids. Do you want some?
Bloody hell, your freezer works, Kylie. What, no one likes strawberry and chocolate, Kylie?
Patingin. Tingnan
Yeah,
nyo.
show the world.
Yung vanilla. show the world daw. Dito sa family nila Kylie, walang kumukha ng strawberry at chocolate. Yung vanilla, ubos na, oh.
John found this out. I didn't know, and Joe didn't know, and John looked through that.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, look. Yeah, unreal. May binocular siya doon.
Turn around, Chona. Turn right round. Other way.
Wow.
No, face him.
No, you've got it on white, mate.
It's all hot red hot dog.
Yeah, the stove's red, but Chona's not red.
She's not hot.
So I'm not hot. I'm not hot. Oh, Joe, what would you like?
Go there, babe. If the stove's putting on, I think.
Then, turn around.
Yeah, turn face me.
Okay.
Mom, can I make a spider?
Right, so what this
Go
does...
get Kobe.
What?
You look at John now. Look through at John and you understand.
Oh, look at me.
No.
No, look at Kylie.
No.
Fucking Christ. Looks like you like you just go to love or something like that. It shows up heat,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, the red one.
So out of all your body, there's one hot spot.
Real hot.
Yeah, why? Just that thing.
The pepe.
Not the purple.
The pepe's hot, babe.
Look at John. No.
No, mine's not hot. Can you
Yeah.
see? But when we first got it, we're out in the dark out there, and I'm looking around and Kylie went to do something like fucking what?
We didn't know that worked, and John's like, Joe, have a fucking look at this. I was so embarrassed.
So that's when we go shooting, we got that through and puts onto the iPad,
Yeah.
and we can see the cows because they're all hot,
Yeah.
the red dogs,
Yeah.
and then foxes in the dark,
Ah,
daylight.
so that's why you can
That's what Joe
shoot.
uses to shoot.
That's what I use for work all the time.
Like kangaroos, you see it
Yeah.
like it's night vision, so you can look
Yeah.
out in the dark and it turns it that
All red,
into
yeah.
daylight, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
On the toilet.
Here, give it, Joe, give it here. Come here, mate.
Roby, did you get the computer?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Babe, come here now, quick.
Wait lang, guys. Sak, your cake is here, Sak. Happy birthday cake.
What? You didn't make any.
No.
Who made it?
Yeah, of course.
Who made it?
The shop.
Can I
Gusto niya ako mag-bake ng
You
cake.
got time.
You like mommy's cake?
Way better than that.
Way.
I want some ice cream.
Yeah, of course.
Please.
Liz? Liz?
Timmy O'Brien. That's what he's fucking name is.
Kay Joto. And ice cream.
Whoa.
Zach, get the cream stack, please.
What cream where?
Well, where was the bake?
I thought you made a
So, lagyan siya ng cream. Ay, palubat na tayo, guys.
I'm excited.
Course.
Of course. This one? Is this enough? Birthday boy?
Sarah Lee.
You want more?
No, I'll probably have more.
More? More chocolate or sticky date?
Chona got them from
A little bit of
No, I just
No.
said sticky.
sticky date or chocolate?
Oh, that's enough.
Oh,
With some more ice cream.
okay. Ice cream. Oh, sure.
And some cream.
Chocolate?
Yeah, and strawberry and vanilla.
There's no vanilla.
What's that then? Just that bit.
You're rock on.
So we've got Kobe,
Here.
Thank
Kobe,
you.
Ray,
Welcome.
Rowan, Vincent, and
You can have this.
Pat.
Put some cream.
Can't open it.
What? The cream?
Yeah.
Give it to me. No. No, you have to just hold that, hold that, hold that.
His normal mates.
Mom, I always put too much.
Okay? That's enough?
Yep. Thank you.
Welcome. So, ito yung akin. So, yan yung akin, guys. Chocolate, tapos may sticky date, tapos ice cream. Strawberry and chocolate. You're done? Uwi na kami, guys. Bukas na lang ulit.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I